patenting innovations in 3D printing fashion design. The fusion of fashion and 3D printing is unleashing unprecedented design possibilities, enabling intricate patterns, customizable fittings, and sustainable materials. Key innovations in 3D printed fashion enable complex geometries, personalized designs, and sustainable practices with eco-friendly material. Navigating the patent terrain means distinguishing between aesthetic elements covered by design patents and functional aspects protected by utility patents. Research prior art thoroughly and conduct comprehensive patent searches to secure strong protection. Crafting a robust patent application involves ensuring clear and comprehensive descriptions, incorporating visual aids like diagrams and 3D models, and demonstrating the novelty and non-obviousness of your invention. Challenges in patenting 3D printed fashion include navigating the rapid evolution of trends against the slow patent process, balancing novelty with commercial viability, and addressing risks of digital infringement. Collaborating with experts involves engaging specialized patent attorneys, partnering with technical consultants and design innovators, and leveraging collaborations between industry and academia. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.